In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your Acuity scheduling page step by step. If you want your booking page to look more professional and match your brand, Acuity gives you several customization options to improve the client experience. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Client Scheduling page or Scheduling page section from the Settings menu. This is where you control the appearance and layout of your booking page. Now, start with the basic branding options. You can upload your business logo so clients immediately recognize your brand when they visit the page. Next, customize the page colors and fonts. Choose styles that match your website, business identity, or overall branding to create a more consistent experience. You can also edit the welcome message or introduction text. This is a good place to explain your services, booking instructions, or important appointment policies. After that, review your appointment categories and service descriptions. Organizing services clearly makes it easier for clients to choose the correct appointment type. If needed, you can also customize intake forms to collect additional information before appointments. For example, you might ask for phone numbers, consultation details, or special requests. Another useful feature is adding confirmation and reminder messages. This helps clients stay informed before their appointment and reduces missed bookings. You can also customize your scheduling URL to make it cleaner and easier to share with clients. Before publishing, always preview your scheduling page on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything looks professional and easy to navigate. Once you're happy with the design, save your changes and your updated booking page will go live automatically. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Acuity scheduling page and created a more professional booking experience for your clients. And that's how you customize an Acuity scheduling page. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.